Hi everyone, I'm back to share another easy recipe. In this video, I will show you how to make fried green tomatoes. For this recipe, you're going to need a half a cup of cornmeal, a half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 large green tomatoes, a half a cup of milk, and 2 eggs. First thing you're going to do is cut the tomato into thin slices. Now mix your eggs and milk together. Now using the assembly line method, put the flour in the first dish, the egg mixture goes in the second dish, and all the other seasonings combined in the last dish. Now just go down the line coating both sides of your tomato with each one. Heat about a ½ inch of oil in a large skillet set to medium-high heat and fry a few slices at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. You're going to fry them for about 2 minutes until they turn brown, and then you're going to flip them over and fry the other side for about 2 minutes too. Remove them from the skillet and place on a plate lined with paper towels to drain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, they are so super easy to make and delicious. If you do try to make these yourself, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.